Welcome back to Pure Science Education, and today we're looking at titration calculation that comes up in A-level and GCSE curriculum. The quickest way is to write down what you got and then we'll go from there. So we got concentration, we got volume in dm cube, we got number of moles, and then we got the ratios. So if you always draw something like this in your exams, it makes your life easier and you can see what's been given and what you need to calculate. So we've got NaOH, which is sodium hydroxide, and we've got H2SO4, which is sulfuric acid. So if I look at the concentration for NaOH, it says it's 0.300. And if I look at the volume, it says I've got 25. However, because I'm working in dm cube, and to go from the cm cube to dm cube, I'm going to divide by 1,000. So it's 1,000. And if I do that, my 25 will be divided by 1,000. That gives me 0.025. Now I need to work out the number of moles on this side, and number of moles is equal to concentration times volume. So all I'm going to do is times the two numbers, and I get 0.0075. And on the other side, if I look at sulfuric acid, I've been given the molarity, which is 0.100. I don't know what the volume is, and I can look at the ratios. The ratio is 2 to 1, which then means I need to divide 0.025 by 2. If I do that, 0.075 divided by 2 will give me 0.0375. Now that I know my number of moles and concentration, I can rearrange this triangle, and if I do that, then I can work out my volume, and the volume is 0.0375. And that's pretty much it, really. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe.